Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, this is Harold, coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Tuesday, November 5th, 2019. The weather today in Schaumburg will be 33 degrees with sunny skies. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Today's announcements are: today's special lunch. Make sure you have your ticket and enjoy some yummy McDonald's. Ba-dum-bum-bum-bum. I'm loving it. Clubs meeting today are: Tap Riding Club will meet today at 3 p.m. Fit Fun Club will meet from 3 to 4 p.m. in the gym. Clubs meeting tomorrow morning are: Student Ambassadors will meet at 7:45 in the music room. Art Apprentices will meet at 8 a.m. in the art room. Endangered Species Club will meet at 8 a.m. in room 203. That's all for today. Have a totally Taco Tuesday.